Ate, where are we going?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? And we are the...
Badillo.
Pangit.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Ulitin na.
Mamaya. Saan tayo Where are we going?
Cut mo muna.
Where are we going, Daddy?
We are going to Scarborough to bring Aries to the clinic to get her vaccine.
How are you?
Good.
Do you know where we're going?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
To the clinic.
Clinic for what?
For Aries to get a vaccine.
Oh, good job. Thanks for letting me know. We're heading to the clinic in Scarborough. It's 5 degrees right now, but the wind makes it colder. I think it's about like 1, maybe. The leaves are already fallen off and the trees are already bald. I'll show you.
Scarborough, time check, 10:49 a.m. The appointment is
11.
11. See, she told me it's 10:50. According to the cards, 3 degrees outside. Snowing a bit.
It's raining flurries.
Hello.
Pangit eh.
Ate. How was it?
When water heats up, we're back and Aries is done with her 12-month vaccine. She cried. I think we only waited for like 5 minutes.
What happened?
She cried. She got a little bump.
What was the vaccine for?
For pneumococcal. She keeps on eyeing the doctor. If the doctor is still around the room, she knows because she knows that the doctor has the vaccine.
Okay. It's before or after?
That's after the vaccine. It's gonna be really painful compared to the other vaccines.
Hey!
Hi!
So, we're here because we want to talk about our new vlog. Kahit wala pa kaming channel ngayon. We're gonna start documenting the days before umuwi kami ng Pilipinas. On December 27, uuwi kami.
Alam naman nila na uwi kami sa January 9. But lagi namin kasi sinasabi sa kanila na mahal po kasi yung ticket. After December na lang kami uuwi. We pushed it to December 27. Makaka-uwi kami doon ng December 29. And yun, surprise namin sila.
Hi.
Oh, wow!
Now we'll get this.
Yun nga, this is gonna be a countdown vlog or a daily diary na magdo-document ng mga steps namin, preparations namin, pagbili ng pasalubong, pagbuo ng box, pag-iimpake, till makauwi kami ng Pilipinas. If you're interested, watch.
Hindi daw available yung masabi.